Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 3, Clothes We Wear. In this chapter, we will understand about type of clothes according to the seasons, natural and man-made clothes, uniforms according to the professions. Our body is very sensitive. Clothes play an essential part of our body. Let's see why it is important to wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects bite. Clothes also make us look smart. We wear different type of clothes in different season. Cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer because it protects us from heat, absorb sweat easily, keep us cool. We get cotton fiber from cotton plant. We make thread from it by spinning cotton balls. This thread is called yarn. From yarn we make different clothes like skirt, shorts, frock, t-shirt and shirt. Woolen clothes. It is cold in winter. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Wool comes from the hair of the body of sheep, which is spun into a yarn, and this wool is used to make clothes like sweater, cap, socks, muffler. Silk clothes. We also wear silk clothes in winter. We get silk from the silkworm. The insect feeds on the leaves of the mulberry plant. From their mouth, they spit a long and sticky thread and wrap this thread around their body. This is called cocoon. Leather clothes. Leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals like buffalo, camel, leopard, snake and crocodile. Some of the examples of leather clothes are shoes, belt, jacket, purse. Natural and man-made fibers. What is natural fiber? Natural fiber is the fiber that comes directly from plant or animals. For example, here cotton and jute comes from the plant. Wool and silk comes from animals. So these are examples of natural fibers. Some cotton clothes are made from man-made fibers. That is, chemicals are used to make fibers. Some examples are nylon and rayon. Uniform. Different types of clothes are worn by people of different occupations is called uniform. Some of the examples are pilot, sailor, doctor, astronaut, school uniform. Now let's revise what we have learned in today's class. Clothes cover our body and also make us look smart. They protect us from heat, cold, dirt and insects bite. Silk is obtained from silkworm. Clothes are made from natural and man-made fibers. People of different occupations wear different uniforms. Homework for today is you all have to write 2 types of clothes that you wear in summer and winter. You will do this homework in your EVS copy.